Hey there. So, you are curious about multi-factor authentication or MFA, right? It's a beast in the security world, and it's something that most of the modern smartphones pack. Imagine this, you are logging into your work account, and the system says, "Hey, I need one more thing to verify you are really you." You might tap your phone for a message or scan your face using the camera. It's like having a secret conversation with your device. The two of you, standing together, are saying, "Yes, it's all genuine." MFA ensures that it's not just someone saying hello but a real extension of you, your ID, the trustworthiness of you, and everything that makes you unique. Now, MFA isn't just about adding a step, it's about intelligently layering security. It taps into something called biometrics, something as unique as fingerprints or your retinal pattern. Then, it's got tokens, those little USB gadgets that store a key code, or it could just ask for a text message that goes straight to you. MFA is like locking doors with not just one or two locks, but a dozen, each requiring different keys made from different materials, unique to the individual. Speaking of implementation, you gotta see MFA as the bouncer at the door of highly sensitive rooms of data and account access. No one's getting in without the key, the passcode, and something they can't steal and replicate easily from. That's the technical architecture at play, layers. It's like building a wall with intertwining steel beams, and MFA makes sure when these beams get disrupted by, say, a stolen token, other security checks step in like guard dogs. The business value of MFA is massive, like finding the treasure beneath your couch. Imagine if we didn't have it, it's like leaving your house keys in an unlocked car, isn't it? A simple misstep and your data could be snatched, your information stolen, a nightmare for IT heads. MFA is like a guard dog for your data, barking at potential intruders, making sure your personal digital realm stays pristine. In every company, every system, MFA is a lifeboat. When someone logs in, they don't just prove they are in the right place. They also prove they are in the right head, with the right hands. It's like a secret handshake, only the handshake is verified by biometrics or a token unique to the person signing in. When it comes to MFA, think about a dance floor where only the right moves are let in. Enter MFA, and you are not just rolling on the same surface as everyone else. It's a world where you need 3 or more dance steps to get on the floor: your password, fingerprint, and face ID. It's like having personal security guards in the dance club of your digital life. Now, let's talk best practices. Start by being slick, not slapdash about MFA. It's about integrating solutions that harmonize with each system without jarring the user experience. It's making sure MFA feels like part of the dance, not an unwelcome guest. So, user education is key. Tell them this is for their safety, not just for compliance. Teach them why it's essential that they keep their secrets on this VIP list. Troubleshooting is another crucial step. It's about having a plan for when the MFA system throws its hands up and refuses to cooperate. What then? You need to roll out emergency chutes, solutions like backup codes, or secondary authenticators to get users back on their feet and dancing in no time. Now, if you really want to soak in the MFA world, explore its nuanced strategies. Go low and mid. We are not trying to wall off Elon Musk's here. We need layers that strike a balance between beefed security and unobtrusiveness. We are building not a prison but a party. Let's not end without saying MFA is not just for IT folks. It's about setting a standard, leading by example, and making accessibility the norm. It's like saying, you do your labs, we do ours. So lead by integrating, advocate for and normalize MFA in every platform or user's interface. Imagine walking out today and logging into your systems with confidence, secure in your private data. MFA does that. Now, don't just stand there. Be a champion for a future empowered by the security that MFA delivers, a future where confidentiality and integrity in cyberspaces become a given, not a luxury. For more insights on security solutions like MFA, visit neeraj.qzz.io and don't forget to subscribe to our channel TechLab where we dive deep into techie territories like this. Stay curious, stay secure.